Sweet heat in every bite. Meet Cowboy candy. Look at these gorgeous jalapenos, fresh from our garden. These gems are about to become Cowboy candy, a sweet, spicy treat you'll wish you discovered sooner. That perfect blend of jalapeno heat and sugary sweetness. It's pure gold to your taste buds. Toss them on burgers, throw them on a pizza, put them on crackers with cheese, or even pasta. Every dish gets a flavor explosion. In our house, these jars vanish in no time because they're just that good. Stick around to see how easy it is to make this addictive treat and spice up your meals. Now we're washing these jalapenos under a sink. Ours are fresh from the garden, so we never bother with the extra steps. But some folks swear by soaking produce in apple cider vinegar to rinse off any chemicals or pesticides. Did you know jalapenos get their kick from capsaicin, which can boost your metabolism? Clean and ready. These peppers are about to transform into sweet, spicy cowboy candy. All right, here we go. Slicing these fresh jalapenos on a wooden cutting board. It's perfect for the video's rustic vibe, but honestly, any cutting appropriate surface works just fine. I'm wielding a custom knife made by a talented knife maker in Amana, Iowa. This gem makes slicing these peppers so smooth and precise. It's a total game changer. A strainer pan, absolute must have. Catches all those seeds and scraps, making cleanup a breeze. You also need a bowl to hold your sliced peppers. There's something so satisfying, almost therapeutic about prepping food like this. Canning just feels natural, like you're tapping into old school tradition. And jalapenos, they're the star. Bold, fiery, ready to elevate any dish. Let's keep slicing and get these ready for some sweet cowboy candy magic. Now we're firing up the pot on the burner. In goes 2 cups of vinegar and 4 cups of sugar. Yep, that tangy magic starts here. This is where the sweet and spicy journey of our cowboy candy really kicks off. Get ready for that irresistible aroma. All right, let's get stirring. In goes the sugar, melting into the vinegar for our cowboy candy's sweet kick. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, perfect for a clear brine. Most skip iodine salt and use either kosher salt or some other type of salt, as it can really cloud things up. Keep stirring to blend those flavors. Love this? Like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Want to grow and preserve top quality produce like us? Comment group if you would love a Facebook group for our unique tips. Recipe mounts for this recipe are in the description. Keep stirring. Here we go, dumping those fresh jalapenos into our boiling mix of vinegar, sugar, and salt. Now we're cooking them at medium heat, stirring to let that sweet, spicy magic blend perfectly. Set a timer for 5 minutes to soften them up just right. Pro tip, don't pack jalapenos into jars before cooking in the brine. You'll fit so many more this way, ideal for long-term storage. This is where cowboy candy gets its irresistible zing. Keep stirring and watch those flavors come alive. All right, our jalapenos are perfectly cooked and ready to jar. Wow, that sweet, spicy aroma is unreal. Using a slotted spoon like we're showing here is a trick to drain the brine and pack these jars to the brim with those vibrant peppers. These cowboy candies turned out absolutely fantastic. We're using a small measuring spoon to pour our brine, but any small gravy spoon or easy to pour tool does a beautiful job. We're skipping hot water bathing or pressure canning for these. No need. We didn't make a huge batch, and trust me, they disappear fast around here. If you're planning to seal yours, don't pack them in as tightly as we did. Leave a 1/2 inch to 1 inch gap for a proper seal. Get ready to enjoy this addictive sweet heat on everything.